How to use MailerLite automation. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of email marketing automation with MailerLite. You're watching the Learning Lane. If you're ready to take your email marketing game to the next level, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you need to have a MailerLite website or account. If you don't know how to open a MailerLite website or account, then you can check our channel for a video. Anyways, now I'll show you how to use automation from here. So you can see many options. From here, click on Create Automation. You can do a lot of automation here. So from here, I'll click to give this option of a simple welcome email. This option means that you can design and send an email from here to someone. Here's the flowchart of your automation. Anyways, click on the arrow button here. After clicking here, a new promotion is created again. So click here again. Then again, a new flowchart is showing. So click here again. Keep clicking like this. If you see a message above that says connect here, click on it. Anyways, your automation is created here. From here, you can use any integration. So guys, now if I click automation, then you'll see that again I can create many new automations from here. If there's any problem, then let me know in the comments box. And there you have it. You've just created your first MailerLite automation. Congratulations. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is continuous testing and optimization. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and comment below with any questions. Until next time, happy automating.